Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When we put number 3 go in here, we have the positive number. So but we put number 3 in here, we have 3 minus 3, you got 0. So in this situation, I need to use about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So on the left, this one we have the negative number in here, but inside the absolute value we have the positive number. This one we have positive number, positive divided by positive, we have positive. So the numbers divide by number 0 because 3 minus 3 we have number 0 in here. So we have infinity. Similar for the second one. This one as approach to number 3 on the right. On the right, we have the positive number, but we have the absolute value. This one will go to positive number. Positive divided by positive, we have positive. The number divides by number 0, so we have infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.